Hi guys, welcome to DigiConvex. Today we are going to know few things about hacking. What is hacking? Types of hacking, types of hackers. What is hacking? Hacking is the process of finding vulnerabilities in a system and using these found vulnerabilities to gain unauthorized access into the system. To perform malicious activities ranging from deleting system files or stealing sensitive information. I am sharing a couple of examples to understand the concept. If unknown person accessing data in your computer without having owner's permission is called hacking. If the person intentionally leak the sensitive information in the organization is also called the hacking. I will let you know the types of hacking. Hacking divided into ethical hacking and unethical hacking. If the hacker intentionally harm to the computer is called unethical hacking. If the hacking done with the permission of owner is called ethical hacking. I will let you know types of hackers in our society. Hackers are divided into four types. White hat hackers, also called as ethical hackers. Black hat hackers, also called as unethical hackers. Grey hat hackers. Grey hat hackers won't be harmful to the society because they are hacking just for fun. Finally, suicide hackers, also called as revenge hackers. Now I will let you know various types of attacks. Computer hacking. If hacker attacks your computer, he won't let you do any work with your computer. Password hacking. If the hacker attacks on your password, he can easily enter in your PC whenever he wants. Email hacking. If the hacker attacks on your email, he can easily read write your personal and official information. Network hacking. If the hacker attacks through network like a local area network or wireless fidelity is called network hacking. And finally, website hacking. If the hacker attacks on your website to interrupt your work is called website hacking. And last but not the least, hacking is a crime. We have to learn this for protecting from unethical hackers. Don't be like unethical, be like ethical. We will learn more about ethical hacking on our next sessions. Stay tuned. Bye bye.